Hi, and welcome to the Google Cloud Fundamentals Core Infrastructure Training course. The goal of this course is to provide you with an overview of Google Cloud. Google Cloud offerings can be broadly categorized as compute, storage, big data, machine learning, and application services for web, mobile, analytics, and back-end solutions. Through a combination of videos, quizzes, and hands-on labs, you'll learn the value of Google Cloud and how cloud solutions factor into business strategies. The intended target audience of today's course consists of solutions developers, systems operations professionals, and solution architects planning to deploy applications and create application environments on Google Cloud. This course will also be useful for business decision makers evaluating Google Cloud. While you should be happy to hear that we'll be finding out about services and concepts that are specific to Google Cloud in this course, do keep in mind that as a fundamentals level course, some content will be geared towards learners who are entirely new to cloud technologies. This course has no prerequisites, although it's helpful to be familiar with application development, Linux operating systems, systems operations, and data analytics and machine learning to best understand the technologies covered. There are 5 key learning objectives that we're hoping to achieve. By the end of this course, you should be able to identify the purpose and value of Google Cloud products and services, choose among and use application deployment environments on Google Cloud, like App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, and Compute Engine, choose among and use Google Cloud storage options, like Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Bigtable, and Firestore, interact with Google Cloud services, and describe ways in which customers have used Google Cloud. Okay, all set? Let's begin.